Good morning, friends. Welcome and welcome back to my videos. This morning is freezing. It's like 6 degrees outside. I'm over here on the river road, getting ready to go into trail down here that I love going down. Sometimes there's deer that like to go in over there, and they go all in his backyard. And then there's like a trail down here. That's where I'm going. My name is Cindy, and I do walking vlogs for my health and wellness. Just being outside in the woods is my quiet sanctuary. I love being outside. I love being in the woods. Since I've turned 50, I've been paying more attention to my health and wellness. Sometimes I flip up a little bit, but that, who doesn't, you know? But I've been paying more attention to my health and wellness. So I've been walking more. If you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more of this, then you come to the right place. Like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell for my future uploads. And come with me on my walks in the forest and see what we can come up with today. Well, that's the end of my video. I hope everyone enjoyed my soothing, quiet walk in Maine. I hope everyone has a good rest of their day. And I hope I inspired you to go out and walk, even if it's for 5, 10, 15, half an hour, it doesn't matter. Go out and enjoy the sunshine. Spring is coming. You can feel it in the air. So like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, you'll get the notifications for my future uploads. Get inspired, get out and walk, get out and play. In the description down below is a link to all my social medias. Go check me out. Like, share, comment, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day and get out there and enjoy the outside. Spring is coming and I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for the birds to start chirping, just everything to be warmer, the sun to come out longer. And I hope that inspires you to go out too. So like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you on my next adventure.